how to make thumbnails for YouTube videos on Canva. In this video, we're going to be talking about how we're going to be making thumbnails for YouTube videos on the most incredible platform, Canva. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here into the main design banner, and here we're going to write YouTube, and then we're going to write thumbnail. So here you're going to get a YouTube thumbnail widget. You're going to click on it and look at this. You're going to get all of these different types of templates. All right. So, first of all, I would definitely urge you to choose a template. And then once you choose a template, from there on out, you can work on it more. So, I'm simply going to wait for things to load in. Now, once everything loads in properly, as you can see, you can simply go ahead and change the title. You can change the background color. All right. Right now, as you can currently see, the background color is multiple, and I would like to change it. All right. So I'm gonna go with a darker shade of something. Let's go with a darker blue. There we go. And then I'm gonna change the colors of these as well. All right. Let's go ahead with green. So once that is done, you can obviously change the titles. Okay. So make sure not to block the character's face. There we go. And once you're done with this, click on download and then finally download it. That is how you're going to be able to create a thumbnail through Canva. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.